After the launch of Apple's iPhone 16 series, Huawei has created history by launching the world's first tri-fold phone, Mate XT. By launching triple-fold phone, Huawei has taken the foldable smartphone market to the next level. Huawei Mate XT can be folded twice. And it can be used in 3 different ways. By folding it completely, you can use it like a normal phone. And by folding it a little, it can be used as a foldable phone. And if you want to use it like a tablet, then Huawei Mate XT can be fully opened and enjoyed like using a tablet. In today's video, we will give information about the full features, price, and sale date of this amazing tri-fold phone. So let's get started. Features of Huawei Mate XT. The most striking feature of the Huawei Mate XT is its tri-fold display, which means it has 2 hinges. When folded, it forms a Z shape, and allows the use of 3 different screens. When folded, it has a 6.4-inch display, which gives the experience of a smartphone. When slightly unfolded, there's a 7.9-inch display, for those who want more screen space without opening the device completely. When fully opened, a large 10.2-inch OLED screen, giving you a tablet-like experience. The Mate XT features an LTPO OLED display with 1440 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, and a 240 Hz touch sampling rate. Camera setup. In terms of photography, Mate XT has a variable aperture, 50-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 12-megapixel periscope telephoto camera. Other side, it also includes an 8-megapixel front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. Interestingly, this selfie camera can be used both folded and unfolded. Performance. Talking about the processor, it has a powerful Kirin 9010 processor, which is made on 7nm fabrication and has been given 8-core CPU, so that you can do professional gaming and multitasking in it. The processor is equivalent to Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and if we talk about the operating system, it has Harmony 4.2 operating system. Battery backup. Talking about the battery, the phone has a 5600 mAh silicon carbon battery, with which it will support 66-watt wired fast charging, and 50-watt wireless charging. Price or sell date. If we talk about price of 16GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 19,999 yuan. Price of 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage, 21,999 yuan, and price of 16GB RAM plus 1TB storage, 23,999 yuan. This smartphone will be available in 2 color options, black and red. Talking about launch date, at present, the tri-fold foldable phone has been launched in China, so the pre-order option is also available in China only. Its global sale will start from September 20th, the day on which iPhone 16 will also go on sale.